how to fix Google ID verification code not received or two-factor authentication code not received in Realme device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can fix if you're not receiving Google ID verification code on your Realme device. So without further delay, let's get started. First and foremost, ensure that you have a stable mobile network or the Wi-Fi connection. Here you can try to switch between the mobile data and Wi-Fi to test if the issue is related to the network or not. If the issue is not related to your network, then the second method or the second option is to check your phone number. Make sure that the phone number that you have entered is correctly typed in your Google account settings. If you have recently changed your number, you have to update it on your Google account. And the third option is to ensure that you have correct settings for the SMS and call. Verify that your phone is able to receive SMS and calls on your correct number. So to check that, you have to open up settings in your device. Tap on network and internet. Here tap on the calls and SMS. And here from this page, you can check which SIM card that you are using for the SMS. Make sure that the settings is correctly saved in. If this still does not help you, you can check the spam or junk folders. Google codes may sometimes end up in spam folder. So for that, check your SMS properly or also check spam in email folder if you are using email for two-factor authentication. If that still does not help you, then you can clear cache and data of the Google Play services. Sometimes Google Play services can cause issue with receiving notifications or the verification code. So for that, open up settings in your device. Tap on apps. Tap on see all apps. Tap on the search icon at the top right and here search for Google Play services. Under Google Play services, tap on storage and cache and here tap on clear cache. Then restart your phone and try receiving the code again. If that still does not help you, restart your device, which will give your device a fresh network connection and fix minor glitches. And after that, wait for a few minutes and then request the code again and check whether now the problem is solved or not. And this is how you can fix your issue. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.